I got lost in Changnasari or somewhere. Vlog is going to be more interesting because I bought a new GoPro and camera. As I told you like earlier, like the people here are really friendly. Oh, copyright. I mean, copyrighted music is going on. No, YouTube. Camera. 15,000. Basically here in Kerala, like lottery tickets are very common and you can find it everywhere. Like you can find it in every street. And here are the like fruits. We can find any kind of, I mean we can find various kind of fruits like in other states in India. So this is how the like market looks. I'm basically filming in a place where I was for 3 years. I mean I was here in Changnasari for last 3 years since 2018. So I pretty well know about this place. So yeah, this is a big discount sale going on. So they're selling mugs and I guess it's shirt, t-shirts. I can see there if you zoom it there. So yeah, it's a nice place. And if you're here in Changnasari, it's just nearby the bus stand. I think it's called KSRTC bus stand. Like it's the government, I mean I don't know much about that. It's the bus stand here in Changnasari and it's just here close by. You can come here and buy it. And I bought a like glass from here like 2 months ago. I thought of vlogging using glasses, but I end up not vlogging. That place is really famous because like many YouTubers have come and made full vlogs out there. I was planning to go there, पर बहुत सारे लोग हैं अभी. Like if I vlog, maybe they will get offended. So मैं अभी नहीं जाऊँगा उधर, अगले टाइम आऊँगा. तो यहाँ पे like केरला का एक बहुत famous YouTuber आया था, Food and Travel by Evan Jones, and I wanted to meet him. Anyway, I have his phone number, WhatsApp number. So if this video get viral, and guys please make this video viral, then that time I can contact him and collaborate with him. So it's a dead end, I guess. No, it is not. So this is a little less crowded place, but there are so many people out there. So as you can see, it's just like any normal Indian state, and I have been repeating the same word again and again, and it reminds me of Tripura sometimes. Like yeah, I mean all the Indian states, I mean towns are quite similar, right? So we are going to another bus stand right now, and this is a shortcut. We can take another turn, but yet let's choose to go through the shortcut because I have returned to my hostel before 6 PM in the evening because there's a hostel rule, as well as I was not supposed to come out of the hostel because it is Corona time, and if my warden catches this video I'm going to be ruined. But let's take the risk, right? Because like I wanted to be a blogger, so I just need to upload this video. ठीक है, तो इसलिए बना रहा हूँ ये वीडियो. रिक्स ले रहा हूँ, रिक्स लेके आ रहा हूँ बाहर. लाइक और यहाँ पे पार्किंग है तो मैं थोड़ा साइड हो जाता हूँ. तो अब हम जाएंगे और एक बस स्टैंड में, और अभी से अभी मैं हिंदी से ब्लॉग करूँगा. लाइक इंग्लिश मेरे लिए बहुत आसान है लेकिन हिंदी आसान नहीं है, तो आज से मेरा मतलब अभी से हिंदी से ट्राई करूँगा और मैं दिखाऊँगा कि मैं कौन से शहर में रहता हूँ. लाइक आई स्टे इन दिस टाउन, राइट? Changnasari is a very famous state, and then uncle was saying that there were some pretty famous temples out here, and it were historically important, and I have to visit those places. I have to Google it today and then go visit them. So this is the another bus stand which I was mentioning, and there are many shops out here. You can buy vegetables. Changnasari, see, coconuts out here, lemons, ticket shop again, lime juice. So these are the foods here. This is called this is banana fry. It is called parampuri, I guess. Parampuri. Vada, puffs, egg puffs. Egg puffs. Shop name lime juice. Sara Sek. So this Sarja Sek. So this is the shop where you can like have juice and have other like snacks. It's just near the bus stand. Bus stand name? Number one bus stand, Changnasari.
Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you. So if you come here, do visit his shop. Thank you. So I have been telling that people here in Kerala are very friendly, and yeah, I have been telling that in my previous videos as well, and it's pretty amazing. And that's one of the reasons why I came here, and I have been repeating the same words in all of my vlogs. But this vlog is going to be more interesting because I think I'm more confident today. I mean, I don't know, I was never this confident, but today I am. Maybe it is because of the GoPro. Yeah, definitely it is because of the GoPro that I'm so confident. So we are back to where we began. So this is the main road, I guess. This way there is a movie theater, and I usually go there and watch English movies like Avengers and other movies. And there is a restaurant called Barbecue Inn, so I would love to visit that. So this is how the vegetable stall or shop look like here in Kerala, and we can see gingers out here. I think this is taro tuber. I don't know the name, English name. This is some kind of like a tuber thing. This is definitely sweet potato, I know it. Pumpkin is here. This is the vegetable used in sambar. I don't know its Malayalam name, but it looked like some watermelon or same species. It is from the Cucurbitaceae species or family. I don't like really know the words right now because like it's a lot of pressure. And we can see mango out here. To remind you all, now it is March, and in the month of March in my state Tripura there is no fruits, but here we can find so many fruits even in trees, and they sell tomatoes. And ये क्या है भाई?
वो हमारे भाषा में क्या बोलते हैं, कटहल बोलते हैं।
ओ कटहल है ये, इतना छोटा. So basically these are jackfruits, and I think it is of different variety, Kerala variety. We can see some garlic. I'm a vampire. Carrot. वो आसामीज गान है ना ये? अच्छा है. मैं आसाम में सिर्फ एक बार गया हूँ. नींबू, नारियल. आपको बेंगली आता है आपको? किचू किचू. मुझे भी थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है, लेकिन भूल गया. अभी आके भूल गया सब कुछ. आसामीज नहीं आता, लेकिन बेंगली से थोड़ा मिलता है ना. ओके. Banda kopi. Thank you. Bye. So this guy was working here. He is very cool. He allowed me to. I don't know what is that. It is some kind of vegetable. No, fish, I guess. So these are the utensil sections. Here they sell utensils. Nice. And the bars. Is for my friends, not for me. And this is where this is the auto stand, I guess, where we can find autos. And there, this is a sweet shop again, like similar, like so many things. These are the cutlets, and this is dal fry. What do we call dal fry in Malayalam? I forgot the word. Just vlogging. Can I? Bro, can you help me in the names of this, like
Paripura.
Paripura. This is cutlets. This is sweetener. I know this. Meat puffs. Meat puffs.
Meat alla. Yeah, meat. Yeah, no.
Oh, egg, not the puffs.
Not about. Under.
Under puffs. Samosas. See guys, this samosa is entirely different from North Indian samosa, right? But it's tasty because I have had it. These are the yeah.
Ulnoda.
Vada. And okay, these are Edikapo.
Halwa.
Halwa is more famous in Kozhikode. These are laddus, and this is available in my place as well, and jalebi and laddus. Can I take this? Okay, so this is the bakery here in Chengmasari. You can come and visit here as well. So time to go. Thank you. So the vlog is going to end now. I think I don't have church, and the time is running as well. I have to return to my hostel. Vlogging. Hi. आप कैसे हो? निंदे पेरे है ना? इला निंदे पेरे है ना? मेरा नाम Jitu Cheda. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I was telling Kerala people are very nice and friendly. It's true. Yes. Thank you so much. So I was telling that I don't have time. It's 4:39 p.m. in the evening and my friend just called me. Maybe he thought I got lost in Changnasari or somewhere. So I think it's time to return to my hostel. So let's go back. See, the amla here is really big and I love eating this, but I'm not buying it now. Can I? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. So these are the amlas, and in my state the amlas are really small and here it is very big. So maybe these are hybrid amlas, but it's really delicious. I love this, and whenever I come to buy things I buy from this shop. So thank you. Yeah, YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being friendly. So these are the oranges here and some grapes. I wanted to buy it now, but I'm late. My friend has been calling me, so it's time to return, I guess. Yeah, it's time to return. Hotel Shalimar, veg or non-veg. I have tasted food from here. It's nice. Almost killed by that car. Oh, anyway, the vlog have ended. So let's see you there where there is less public and less talk about something, right? Yeah. So guys, अभी मेरे पास सिर्फ 10% चार्ज बचा है बैटरी. I mean, the life of this battery is less. I just have 10% left. So I have to end my vlog very soon because I just have 10%, right? So yeah, I just want to say that people here in Kerala are very friendly and they have been very nice to me. As you can see in this vlog, when I went out to vlog, they were very friendly and they were welcoming me to like attend their, I mean, to visit and see their shops, and they were really friendly. So that's a good thing, and that's what I love about Kerala, and that's why I'm in Kerala, right? So there's a car coming. So guys, I don't have anything more to say about, and as the like GoPro is dying because of low battery, so like it's 9% now. So let's end the video here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I know I have made a lot of mistakes today because this is the beginning, but I'm gonna be vlogging like this from now on with a lot of energy, and I will increase more energy, and I will try to be as positive as possible, and I know I can do it. The only thing is I need your support, so please comment and let me know how was the video genuinely, because I'm a new YouTuber. I know I have been vlogging and making videos since last 2 years, but those 2 years I was using my phone and I was not too confident to vlog in public area. But right now I have GoPro and I've invested a lot to be able to compete my fellow bloggers who are my inspirations, and someday I wanted to overcome them, I mean overtake them in a positive way. So there is so yeah, I have been using a lot of so let's end the video here, and take care guys. Live your life, live your dream. Yeah, I'm copying MSK because I'm his fan as well. Bye. So the camera is dying right now. It's just 4%, so I can't vlog any longer, and as well as I am near my like college campus. So let's end the vlog. I mean, I already ended the vlog, but I just thought of telling you guys that I bought a new GoPro and I'm really happy with this. I mean, my confidence have increased a lot, and I believe that I can make more vlogs now and fulfill my dream of hitting 100k subscribers. Yes, I wanted to hit 100k subscribers, and I want that silver play button very soon, and I will get it, and I believe it. And I wanted to really do it because I wanted to create videos since I was a small boy. I love creating videos, so that's why I'm creating videos. So yeah, please subscribe and go. If you don't subscribe, I'm going to hack your Instagram account.
Nuhulia tangi ching no chuka saka afa Bia langsa goha nai di tansa angya dofa Lama rimi kasle tongo komor mani lama wote kisil sinai sabono Kosi si di jaya no Mungsa pano kanya chugya tangi kokhe kotor Baitang nike hamya nugya bunyi